Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I wanted to do my everyday simple easy glam on the go. Wanted to just create it, share it with you guys, and yeah, if you want to see how I completed this look, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start with my skincare, and first I'm going to be going in with my serum. So I'm going to use the Origins A Perfect World Age Defense Skin Guardian with white tea, and I'm going to let that sit in first for like a minute before I go in with my moisturizer. Okay, so up next is my moisturizer. So to moisturize my skin, I'm going to use the Dr. Jart Cia Pear, I think that's how you say it. The Tiger Grass Cream. I'm going to be using this to hydrate my skin. I'm going to use about a quarter size, and I'm going to like warm it up on the back of my hand. This might be too much, but who cares? And then for my eye cream, I'm going to use the Sephora Brightening Eye Cream. This stuff is really good. It really hydrates the under eye area, and it like brightens it, and it's nice for like sensitive skin, because I have sensitive skin and it works really good on me. So, and it's affordable, which is good because a lot of eye creams are pretty expensive. So I'm gonna pick some up on my ring finger and just pat it under my eye, and then don't forget your eyelids. So I'm gonna let this set in for about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back to do my makeup. This is like my everyday, well not everyday, but when I'm in a hurry makeup, or when I'm just trying to use trying to go as natural as possible, this is what I will do. So to prime, of course, the Milani Prep and Brighten Rose priming oil. I'm obsessed with this stuff. If you have dry skin, you should definitely try this. And even if you don't, like if you have like normal skin, this will probably make your skin look really nice and dewy without it making it look too oily, you know? So I think everyone should try this out. So just blending that into my skin. So for my foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation, and I'm in the color 128 Warm Nude. So I'm just going to shake it up because it is pretty liquidy. And pour a little bit on the back of my hand, like that. And I'm going to start dotting it and blending it out. So I'm just going to blend it out with my sponge. Okay, so now for concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This concealer is actually really good. It gives really good coverage, but it's light and it's not heavy. So it works, it's really good for like the days where you don't want to wear like no makeup look, or just a light makeup. This would be the one for that. So I'm going to use this in the color Natural. It's like similar to my skin tone. So I'm just gonna apply that to my eyelid, blend it out. So now that is on, I will go ahead and set it. So to set that, I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the color 10. I'm gonna grab my brush, and then I will set the eyelid. Then the under eye. With my sponge, of course, blend this concealer out. And set it. Like, look how different that looks, like with concealer and then without concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side really quick. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and powder the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, so to bronze my skin, I'm gonna use the Butter Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the color Sun-Kissed Bronzer. So this is a little warmer than this one. I also have this one, and this is in the color Bronzer. I should open more. So this is a little warmer than this one, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one for today. And then I'm gonna be using this is the Morphe R7. It's like big enough to like bronze up the face, but it doesn't make it look messy. So I'm just gonna pick some up on my brush. I'm not like precise or anything like that. If you're looking for an affordable option on the bronzer, this is it. Pretty good. And it smells like, you know what it smells like? It smells like those like little air fresheners you put in your car, like the little trees. That's what it smells like. I'm not a fan of the smell, but it's not bad. And then I'm gonna bronze right here too, the temples of my face, my forehead, everywhere. I want to look all bronceada. I think this might be too orange for me. Oh well, who cares? For my nose, I'm actually going to use the other color, the color bronzer, just because it's not so warm. And I'm going to use a Makeup Shack T38 brush. And then I'll run a little bit of this like on the hollows of my eye. So for my blush and my highlight, I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics Santa's Wifey Blush and Sexy Santa highlighter. So I'm gonna pick that up on a Japanesque 961 brush. I get these at TJ Maxx. They're pretty good and inexpensive, which I love. And then kind of smile a little bit. But you can definitely build it up. I love to use a lot of blush, so you don't have to go as extreme as me, but I like to because it just gives you that youthful glow. And yeah, so before I actually put my highlight on, I'm gonna set my skin. So to set my skin, I'm gonna use the All Nighter spray. Now that my skin is set, I'm gonna highlight. So to highlight, I'm gonna use the highlighter in the palette, Sexy Santa. And I'm just going to use it on this like fluffy eyeshadow brush because I can't find my highlighting brushes or my fan brush. So I'm just going to pick that up. Okay, so for my eyebrows, when I'm in a rush or when I'm in a hurry, I will do them with a pencil just because it's faster. So I'm going to use the NYX Fill and Fluff eyebrow pencil. And this is in the color Brunette. I'm going to go ahead and brush my eyebrows up. Just gonna fill them in really quick. This eyebrow pencil is my favorite. It like fills in your brow so easily and pretty quickly. So that's what we want. Okay, my eyebrows are on and they're not as perfect. They're not as perfect as I would want them because, yeah. I'm just going to go ahead and set them with a little bit of brow mascara. And I'm going to use the NYX brow mascara. So for mascaras for today, these are just a few of my favorite mascaras. And to be honest, like the drugstore options are better than the high-end options because they perform the same and they're like half of the price. So I'm going to be using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara. I'm also going to use the NYX On The Rise Mascara. And I'm also going to use the Essence Volume Stylist 18-Hour Mascara. Essence has a great line of mascaras and they're super affordable. They're all under like $5. So if you're looking for an affordable option that really elongates your eyelashes and gives you lots of volume, Essence is the way to go. So yeah, mascara is pretty basic. So I have like steps to my how I do my put on my mascara. I'll put this one on first because it like elongates and it separates my lashes at the same time because of the kind of brush it has. And then I'm going to go in with the Essence Volume Stylist, and this will give my lashes volume. So I'll like alternate mascaras in a bit like that, and then the other eye. My mascara is what takes me a little longer, just because I really want like long eyelashes without having to put on falsies, you know. And then I'll go back into the NYX mascara and use this to separate the lashes and brush them out. I'm gonna put a little bit of this Princess mascara, and I'm gonna put this mainly like at the root of my eyelashes, because it does have like that hugging wand, so it'll like lift up the lashes even more. Okay, so for my lips, I'm gonna go in with a nude lip, of course, nothing much. So I'm gonna go in with this lip liner. This is the Morphe lip liner, and this is in the color Bite Me. For my liquid lipstick, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in the color Button. It's like the perfect nude. I think it's like the perfect nude color for like every skin tone, which is like perfect. And then feather it out with my finger. For lip gloss, I'm going to go in with this Morphe lip gloss, and this is in the color Boho. So that is it for the makeup look for today. This is my simple, easy, on the go, everyday kind of makeup. This is what I would do. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.